for Japan trip 2025. And this time, bang! Kasama si Tito Dino and Tita Merly. Let's go! Touchdown over here, Kansai Airport. Kain muna tayo. First meal of the trip. Tatlong gyudon and gyudon with cheese. Lumabas na yung order, wala pang bayad, diba? Pero kabilis. Labas na for the first time again. Wow, aircon! Mas malamig sa labas kesa sa loob ng airport. So for Osaka leg, we'll be staying here at the peak at Namba. Okay, first, konbini for the trip. Saan tayo? Alright. So ito yung mga food, no? Namimili na si Ina ng kainin tomorrow morning. Tapos meron silang hot counter. Mainit yung drinks. Day 2 here at Osaka. Kagabi nag 5 to 7 degrees Celsius siya. We're ready to break the cold. And let's see kung kaya natin ng lamig. Let's go. 8 degrees. 8 degrees. And it's already 8:46 AM. Walang tao sa Osaka ngayon. Very empty. It's a Sunday morning. Law-abiding citizens. Shitennoji Temple, wala pa masyadong tao, so it's good to come here early. Here, touchdown. Does this mean that we have to pay twice? Yan. Ano lang yan? Ano? Ito yung actual grounds ng Shitennoji Temple. Landscape, no? Tapos may 5-story pagoda sa gitna. Not a Buddhist, so I don't know what to say. Pero mukhang madami silang statues. Ayan, bawal na lang ginawa niya. Bawal ako? Bakit? Ay, bawal dogs. Okay, so we're heading to another temple, the Isshinji Temple. It's just around 10 minutes or like a 5-minute walk from the Shitennoji Temple. Ang kwento ay yung mga statues daw are made out of the parts of the deceased, no? So, ashes of the deceased, yan. The surroundings. Sa gilid, yan, may mga, I think, ito yung bodies, no? Mga namatay. So, rest in peace. This is the exit on the way to the next adventure. And right beside the Isshinji Temple is this very nice park. Looking forward to our lunch. Sino yan? Sino yan? Dito, sali sana sa run club. Oh. Wala lang sa outfit. Yan. Bilis oh, bilis oh. Grabe, Naruto. Call her speed. So, looking back, kung saan tayo nang galing, nakita mo na merong tower dun sa likod. Hitachi Tower. Ongoing photo ops. Ito na tayo sa Shinsekai or Shinsekai. This is what they call the ghetto place, but mukhang safe naman siya. Madaming foodies, madaming restaurants. Alright, time to eat! Walang pila, guys. Can you believe it? I think you just have to come in on time. 11:06, kaka-open lang 6 minutes ago. Eating time, itadakimasu. Ito yung wasabi nila, unique. The champion is here. 35 plates and 1 win. So total, 35 plates, 6,120 yen. Gashapon break, Sanrio characters, Huggot. Thank you for the sponsor.
Huggot. You know Huggot in Waray?
What? What's it?
It's cold.
So update, punta muna tayo ng
Bawan.
shopping.
Kasi wala kaming dalang damit. Yung labi. Si Pao tsaka si Word.
Yan na, labi. Uy. Break muna from shopping. Outfit change. Because we're going to Team Lab.
Again.
Botanical Garden. Let's go! It's 5:11, medyo madilim. Ayan. So magkakape muna tayo kasi 6 o'clock pa ang ating adventure natin with Team Lab. Finally arrived. Ang daming tao. 6 to 7 p.m. Ticket holders naman dito.
I think ito yung first na outdoor.
First outdoor Team Lab branch. Oh, boom! Uy! Now on the way to Dotonbori. We're looking for food to eat. What's up, Kuya-san? See, what do we have here? Okonomiyaki? Takoyaki? Soba is here. Happy anniversary! Hey! On the way home and nasa mukha ng outfit.
Barney.
Day 3 in Osaka, 6:46 a.m. and we're heading to Kyoto for a day trip. Shinkansen tickets, non-reserved tickets worth 1,450 yen or around 600 pesos. 15 minutes lang naman yung train from Shinosaka Station to Kyoto.
Mas matagal pa yung biyahe papuntang Shinosaka.
And just landed at Kiyomizu Dera. Ay, wala pa pala. Magle-left pa pala tayo. Sorry. Lagi ako nawawala. Kung mag-isa ako, di ko alam kung napuntahan ko lahat ng gusto kong puntahan.
Nag-yoshi si Kai. Kaya? Kaya?
I'm so tired. Ang taas ng hike because we chose the off-beaten path once again. So once you're here on top, ito yung makikita niyong view. Yan, may city skyline ng Kyoto. And even the mountains on the right side. And then here are the temples. Yan, mountainous siya sa likod. They have big bells and yung mga statues, temples. And of course the people. So punta daw muna tayo sa best part before we take some pictures. And If this is not yet the best part, I don't know what is. So, dito sa main road, may mga stores. Ito yung on-beaten path. Siyempre, kung may off-beaten, may on-beaten. Sabi ni Ina, meron daw magandang view dito.
Pero bakit iba yung view?
Ito yung view sa Google. Pero,
mali yung map.
so sometimes, ganun talaga ang buhay. No, what we expect is not the same as what we see. And here on the left is a classic Starbucks. So there's this shop, Glanto. You know, just spotted this. You can create drinks. Just takes around 5 to 10 minutes. Order customized during the workshop, but then 40 to 60 minutes. Now go back, but before that, one last view for this beautiful temple. Dito muna tayo sa Family Mart for lunch para barato. Sweet side,
Udon
and udon. Syempre, kung may lunch, may dessert. May monoto taiyaki. Ice cream time. Good.
too sweet. Matcha is on point.
Punta na tayo kay Kodaiji Temple, just beside the Fumiju Temple. You turn right, may bamboo grove in Kodaiji. Okay, so we got into this limited express train. We got into the sightseeing limited express Aonyoshi. Yeah, that's why we are seated like this. Oh, they have a bar. Wow. They have a bar. Oh, we have free souvenirs. Alright, thank you. Okay. Touchdown Nara. Yung mga deers dito mukhang pakalat-kalat lang. You can freely touch them. Can you feed the deers?
Yes,
What? UNESCO Heritage Kodaiji Temple. There's reference, pero syempre it doesn't do justice. So, ayan, si Ina na lang, yan ang reference. Oh, ito si Ina. Dessert time. Strawberry matcha.
Dun sa may year.
To his own. Let's see. So that ends our Nara stint. Now time to go back to Nara Station. Then we go back to Osaka. Time for dinner. You know what dinner means? Yukatsu Motomura. So we're going to order one cutlet. 130 grams. day 4 in Osaka. And I'll be doing my run. 4 degrees. First time running in this very cold weather. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this, but wow, I'm so cold. Woo! It's just 6 a.m. Madilim pa, pero walang katawa-tawa sa Dotonbori. Here's what Dotonbori looks like in the morning. 6 a.m. Walang katawa-tawa, though there are lights, so it's safe to run here. Right, done with 6K. Since a minute na ako, din super lamig. I ended my run at 3 degrees Celsius, but it's not feeling like it. It's like Baguio lang, parang 15 to 18. Pero yun, pawis ako, pinawis na naman, and kaya mag-run. These are the accessories that I got off from my head. So my beanie, ito pala from my hand, the gloves, and itong scarf sa neck. 2 layers na lang yung top, and then 1 layer yung bottom. Yeah, I'm heading back, and then we're going to Sapporo today for day 4. Time to check out.
Pag nagpa-travel kayo, maganda yung tatlong section ng wallet. Yung isang section is for the Philippine currency sa ano natin. Tapos yung isa is para sa currency kung saan bansa ka nagpupunta. Tapos yung isang section sa gitna is para sa mga cards. Para hindi ka malilito pag nagpo-purchase ka.
May dessert na pala, guys. May kotse sa airport. Parang hindi pa sapat yung aeroplano para lumipad tayo.